Hello student, good morning. In this chapter we are going to learn about the science and spirituality, how it's work together. So Srijan Pal Singh has written this chapter. In my last period we have discussed about the incident which has been narrated by the Srijan Pal Singh. In that narration or in that incident we learn that how the fact and faith works together. So one prominent personality, Father Pereira, has given a chance to the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam or Dr. Vikram Sarabhai to work at the Thumba, which is located in the Kerala, and they successfully done their work. After that incident, there was one more incident that when in 2012 Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and Srijan Pal were discussing with the PhDs of APJ Abdul Kalam. And in meanwhile, what happened? Srijan Pal Singh asked to the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam about the Dhawans, that how one man can accomplish his accomplish his all academic brilliancy, or how can one man will academically brilliance. So this type of statement has given by the Srijan Pal Singh to the APJ Abdul Kalam. So while responding to the question of this answer, he just saying to APJ Abdul Kalam that academically accomplishment, it is not necessary that the person who is brilliant or not. Means a person who is just applying his knowledge for the sake of society, for the sake of humanity, that time we can say that he is accomplished his लर्निंग ॲज वेल ॲज एज्युकेशन. एखाद्या व्यक्तीनं जर आपलं जीवन संपूर्ण समाजासाठी किंवा ह्युमॅनिटीसाठी जर व्यतीत केलं तर त्याचं शिक्षण हे कुठल्या तरी प्रमाणामध्ये किंवा कसल्या तरी प्रमाणामध्ये एक चांगलं राहू शकते, किंवा समाजाच्या कल्याणासाठी जर त्याने आपल्या शिक्षणाचा उपयोग केला तर ते शिक्षण खरं शिक्षण आहे असं त्यांचं मत होतं. आणि त्यांनी उदाहरण देते वेळेस एक उदाहरण दिलं की समजा एक मिरर आहे, मिररचा गुणधर्म काय आहे की आपलं जे इमेजेस आहे ते रिफ्लेक्शन द्यायचं, पण काही कारणास्तव जर त्यावर धूळ बसली आणि ती जर धूळ आपण सॉर्ट आऊट केली नाही किंवा रिमूव्ह आऊट केली नाही त्या मिररवरून, तर काय होईल, आपल्याला त्या आपली जी पर्टिक्युलर इमेज आहे ते दिसणार नाही. नेमकं आपल्या शिक्षणाच्या बाबतीतही नेमकं तेच होत आहे की आपल्याला अकॅडमिकली आपण खूप ब्रिलियंट आहोत, 100 आउट ऑफ 100 मार्क्स आपण घेत आहोत, परंतु आपलं ते एज्युकेशन आपल्या स्वतःच्या स्वार्थाव्यतिरिक्त आपण समाजासाठी किंवा आपण आपल्या कुटुंबासाठी किंवा आपल्या देशासाठी त्या शिक्षणाचा तीळ मात्रही उपयोग करत नाही. So that Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said to the Srijan Pal Singh that education is not a perfect education which is not useful for the or beneficial for the welfare of the society or welfare of the humanity. So this incident we have learned in my last period. In the next paragraph, Srijan Pal Singh has described here, in April 2009, Dr. Kalam was invited to attend the 102nd birthday celebration of His Holiness Dr. Shri Shivkarma Mahaswamiji in the Tumkur district. So one more incident Srijan Pal Singh has described and tell us that Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was invited in the birthday party of the Swamiji, and that birthday of means shocking thing is what, it was the birthday of 102nd 102 वर्षावी जी बर्थडे होती ती महास्वामीजींची होती, मीन्स मोर दॅन 100. It was the shocking thing that it was more than 100 birthday celebration of His Holiness Dr. Shri Shiv Kumara Mahaswamiji in the Tumkur district. The place was in the Tumkur district, and APJ Abdul Kalam was invited on that occasion of the birthday, and that was the 102nd birthday of the Mahaswamiji, which is in the Tumkur district. So it was located in the Karnataka. Tumkur district, it was located into Karnataka. It is a state. Mahaswamiji is a remarkable person who has dedicated his life to the service of humanity. Why does the writer called Swamiji as a remarkable person? Because he has dedicated his whole life for the welfare of the nation, for the welfare of the society, for the welfare of the humanity. मानवतेसाठी त्यांनी आपलं संपूर्ण जीवन समाजासाठी अर्पित केलं. त्यासोबतच त्यांनी आपलं संपूर्ण आयुष्यामध्ये लोककल्याणाच्याच गोष्टी केल्या. दॅट इज वाय द ऑथर कॉल्ड हिम रिमार्केबल पर्सन. रिमार्केबल पर्सन मीन्स the person who has dedicated his whole life for the sake of society, for the sake of nation. That is why Mahaswamiji is known as remarkable person, means a special person. Means in our society, number of people we have around us, they have the property, they have the assets, different kind of assets, but they just utilize that for their own sake, not for the society. And some more people, means 1% or 2% people are there who just thinking about the society or thinking about the people who are we can say rural background or under dominate, the people who were मी तळागाळातले जे लोक म्हणतो अशा लोकांच्या विकासासाठी किंवा अशा लोकांना कुठेतरी आधार द्यावं म्हणून असे 1% किंवा 2% लोक समाजामध्ये आहे जे समाजासाठी काहीतरी आपण देणं लागतो या अनुषंगाने ते विचार करत असतात आणि त्यांना काहीतरी मदत करत असतात. दॅट इज वाय Mahaswamiji is a remarkable person who has dedicated his life to the service of humanity. He has dedicated his whole life for the service of humanity, for the nation, for the society, for the people who are economically backward, as well as the people who are not educated. So making them aware about the reality, making them aware about the education, they have done the work. Mahaswamiji has done the work. That is why dedicationally they have done their work, and their contribution was for making a society was very great. That is why we can say he was a remarkable personality. His greatest contribution is the establishment of a free residential education system for more than 9,000 children in the ashram. It is very remarkable thing, my dear friend. Near about 9,000 children in their ashram. Ashram, you know, it is a Marathi word, ashram. So near about 9,000 children were taking a resident in the particular place that is called the ashram, that is called the convent. Okay, so why do the people called him Mahaswamiji, or why do people just devotionally just bow down their neck in front of Mahaswamiji? Because of their dedicational work for the society. Because one example has given here, his greatest contribution in the establishment of free residential education system. Free residential education system म्हणजे मुलांना कसल्याही प्रकारची फी न घेता शिक्षण द्यायचं, त्यांचं खानपानसुद्धा तिथेच, त्यांचं राहण्याची सोयसुद्धा त्यांनी तिथेच केली. अशा पद्धतीची जी एज्युकेशन सिस्टम त्यांनी तयार केली, आणि त्या एज्युकेशन सिस्टममध्ये जवळपास 9,000 चिल्ड्रन्स आर स्टडिंग. 9,000 चिल्ड्रन्स आर स्टडिंग इन द आश्रम विदाउट पेइंग मनी. विदाउट पेइंग मनी means it is a greatest example, it is a greatest contribution of Mahaswamiji in this sector. या सेक्टरमध्ये अत्यंत खूप मोठं कंट्रीब्युशन्स महास्वामीजींचं आहे, आणि दॅट इज व्हाय ही इज रिमार्केबल पर्सन. मीन्स देर इज more than near about 1% or 2% people are in the society, they just work or they just think about this type of people. Means it was the greatest work of the Mahaswamiji, his greatest contribution in the establishments. What is mean by establishment in Marathi? Sthapana. Establishment for free resident. This word is more important, most important. Free residential education system. म्हणजे एकही पैसा न घेता विद्यार्थ्यांच्या सर्वांगीण विकासासाठी त्यांनी काय केलेलं आहे, वेगळ्या पद्धतीच्या एका आश्रमाची सुरुवात केलेली आहे. फॉर मोर दॅन 9,000 चिल्ड्रन्स इन द आश्रम. आश्रम इट इज अ मराठी वर्ड, वी कॅन से कॉन्व्हेंट इन इंग्लिश. After that, the most astonishing means shocking. Astonishing means shocking. The more astonishing aspect of the entire event of his birthday was that the 102nd year old Swamiji stood on his feet without any support. And one more thing has been narrated in this paragraph by Srijan Pal Singh, and that was very shocking, that was very astonishing for the people who were attended the birthday celebration. And what was that? Means at the age of 102, the Swamiji were stood on their feet and they were speaking with the people who were around them. It was a very shocking thing. म्हणजे वयाच्या 102व्या वर्षी एखादी माणूस एखाद्या तरुण माणसासारखा तुमच्यासमोर येऊन जर बोलत असेल, इट वॉज व्हेरी शॉकिंग थिंग. मीन्स इट इज इम्पॉसिबल. इट इज इम्पॉसिबल थिंग. हे शक्य आहे का? म्हणजे वयाच्या 102व्या वर्षी जर एखादा माणूस उभा होत आहे, उभा होऊन तुम्हाला काहीतरी प्रीचिंग करत आहे, तुम्हाला उपदेश देत आहे आणि जवळपास अर्धा ते 1 तास तुमच्याशी हितगुज साधत आहे, तुमच्याशी इंटरॅक्ट होत आहे, इट वॉज इम्पॉसिबल फॉर द कॉमन पीपल. मीन्स Mahaswamiji has done this work on the age of 102 and the people were shocked. The people were astonished after hearing his sound as like youngster and hearing his gesture and posture in front of the people, or where the Mahaswamiji were delivering his speech in front of the people. That time all the people who were present at that moment on that hall, in that hall, that time they astonished after watching that thing. It was the astonishing aspect. It was the astonishing aspect of entire event. Means the celebration event, the birthday celebration event. It was entire event of his birthday. The 102 years old Swamiji stood on his feet. This is remarkable thing. हीच उल्लेखनीय गोष्ट आहे. Without any support. Means at the age of 60 we have seen the people who cannot stand on their feet. Who cannot walk, who cannot speak even. Okay, we have seen most of the people nowadays, means young people at the age of 35 to 40 or 45, they cannot do the work as like the people who are at the age of more than 60 or more than 70. So it was shocking. The people who were around them and who were just hearing their speech, so stood on his feet without any support. So this is the remarkable thing about Swamiji. Then next, he looked at steady and alert. This is most important. Steady and alert means he was not just standing on his feet. He was very alert. He was steady and alert. Means steady, it means sthir. Alert means savdhan. So he was steady and alert as like a youngster. Means we cannot say that the person who is standing in front of us, he is at the age of 102 years old. We cannot say. Means he just behaving as like a youngster. Means he just doing the thing as like a youngster. He was steady and alert, and any other youngster present there. Means there were so many youngster people, or the youngsters were there. So as like them, they just behaving as like them. त्यांच्यासारखेच ते बिहेव करत होते, अलर्ट होते. जवळपास अर्धा 1 तासाची त्यांनी लोकांना प्रीच केली आहे किंवा स्पीच दिलेली आहे. सो दॅट वॉज द अस्टॉनिशिंग थिंग, दॅट वॉज शॉकिंग थिंग फॉर द पीपल हू वेर गॅदर्ड ॲट दॅट प्लेस. After that, this display of inner strength, this display, it is also important because physical strength is depend on your mental strength. This is the quotation you have to write down. Means your physical strength is depend on your mental strength. तुमची शारीरिक ऊर्जा ही तुमच्या मानसिक ऊर्जेवर अवलंबून आहे, एवढं लक्षात घ्या. आणि हीच उदाहरण इथे स्वामीजींनी देण्याचा प्रयत्न केलेला आहे. श्रीजन पालने स्वामीजीशी रिलेट करण्याचा इथे प्रयत्न केलेला आहे की दिस डिस्प्ले ऑफ इनर स्ट्रेंथ टच डॉक्टर कलाम डीपली. दिस इनर स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ स्वामीजी टच टू द डॉक्टर कलाम डीपली. हीच त्यांची जी आत्मिक शक्ती आहे किंवा आतमधली जी शक्ती आहे, हीच आत्मिक शक्ती काय केलेलं आहे, द डिस्प्ले ऑफ इनर स्ट्रेंथ टच डॉक्टर कलाम डीपली. डॉक्टर कलामला खूप अगदी त्यांच्या अंतर्मनावर त्यांची जी इनर स्ट्रेंथ आहे. म्हणजे जर आपल्याला एखाद्याने प्रश्न केला की विच इज युअर स्ट्रेंथ, विच इज द स्ट्रेंथ विच इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ ह्युमन बिईंग, सो दॅट इज द माइंड स्ट्रेंथ, दॅट इज द मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ. बिकॉज ऑल द बॉडी वर्क्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द कमांड ऑफ माइंड, आहे ना. माइंडच्याच कमांडवरून आपली संपूर्ण बॉडीची मुवमेंट किंवा बॉडीला जे जे करायचं आहे ते सर्व माइंडच्या कमांडवरूनच चालत असते. तो this display of the inner strength, and after watching this lively by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he just shocked, and this incident has deeply touched to his mind, Dr. Kalam's mind, and that thing influenced on the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And they always said that inner strength is most important than the physical strength. Means mind strength is most important than the physical strength. So they just touch Kalam deeply. A couple of days later, we were discussing the unusual birthday party. I said to him, "Sir, do you know only 4 out of 1 lakh people cross the age of 100?" So after couple of days, means after a month, we were discussing on the topic, means of the birthday celebration of Mahaswamiji. So we were discussing, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and Srijan Pal Singh were discussing on the topic of the birthday celebration which they have been attended before some month, before some day. So I said to him, "Sir, do you know only 4 out of 1 lakh people cross the age of 100? Out of 100, only 4 people who can cross the age of 100. Out of 100, only 4 people. म्हणजे 100मध्ये फक्त 4च लोक असे आहे की जे आपल्या वयाची 100 गाठतात. किती? 100 लोकांमध्ये फक्त 4च लोक आहे की जे आपल्या वयाची 100 गाठतात. अ कपल ऑफ डेज लॅटर वी वेर डिस्कसिंग, मीन्स सृजन पाल सिंग as well as Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam were discussing on that topic and they were discussed. And he said, Miss Srijanpal Singh said to the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam that means out of only 4 out of 1 lakh, only 4 out of 1 lakh, only 4 out of 1 lakh. ओके, मीन्स 1 लाखामध्ये फक्त किती? 4च लोक जे वयाची 100 गाठतात किंवा मोर दॅन ही कॅन लिव्ह देअर लाईफ मोर दॅन 100 इयर्स. दे कॅन लिव्ह देअर लाईफ मोर दॅन 100 इयर. म्हणजे 100 वर्षापेक्षा जास्तीचं फक्त 4 लोक, 100तून 4च लोक काय करत असतात? जगत असतात. अशा पद्धतीचं स्टेटमेंट सृजनपाल सिंग यांनी डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलामला सांगितलेलं आहे. वी वेअर डिस्कसिंग ऑन दॅट टॉपिक अबाउट दॅट पार्टी अँड आय सेड, मी सृजनपाल सिंग सेड टू द APJ अब्दुल कलाम, सर डू यू नो ओनली 4 आउट ऑफ 1 lakh, 4 आउट ऑफ 1 lakh म्हणजे 1 लाखामधून फक्त 4 पीपल क्रॉस द एज ऑफ 100. Okay, so I had googled from where he got information. He just searched on the Google and he got the information about the subject beforehand. He replied, "But how many of these 4 would be able to stand tall for half an hour, give a wise discourse and then go on the feed thousands of children?" So he replied, means after that it is right that near about 4 people, means out of 100 मधून फक्त 4च लोक काय करत असतात? ते आपल्या वयाची 100 गाठत असतात. परंतु नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन काय होता की how many people means how many these 4 would be able, how many these 4 would be able to stand tall for half an hour. म्हणजे त्यामधले असे किती लोक आहे? लोक 100च्या वर आयुष्य जरी जगत असले परंतु ते बाजाला अंथरुणाला खिळून असतात. परंतु त्यापैकी किती लोकांच्या समोर उभे राहण्याची क्षमता त्यांच्यामध्ये आहे आणि उभं राहून बोलण्याची क्षमता त्यांच्यामध्ये आहे. सोबतच would be able to stand tall for half an hour, give a wise discourse means शहाणपणाच्या गोष्टी, समाजाच्या विकासाच्या, समाजाच्या प्रगतीच्या, लोककल्याणाच्या गोष्टी करणारे असे किती लोक आहे? म्हणजे आपण महास्वामीजी विषयी ते बोलत असताना बोलतात की 100तून फक्त या दुनियेमध्ये किती? 4 लोकच आहे की जे आपल्या वयाची 100 गाठतात. परंतु त्या लोकांमध्ये असे किती लोक आहे की जे वयाची 100 तर गाठतात परंतु लोकांसमोर येऊन उभं राहण्याची विदाऊट एनी सपोर्ट ज्यांच्यात क्षमता आहे, त्यासोबतच लोकांना लोककल्याणासाठी किंवा समाजाच्या विकासासाठी याही वयात असे किती लोक आहे जे वर्क करतात ॲज लाईक अ महास्वामीजी? असे किती लोक आहे ज्यांना समाजाशी काहीतरी घेणं देणं आहे? कारण ज्या वयामध्ये जे लोक दुसऱ्यावर डिपेंड असतात, ज्या वयामध्ये लोकांना कुणाच्या तरी आधाराची गरज असते, त्या वयात महास्वामीजींनी स्वतःच्या पायावर उभं होऊन लोकांना एक वाईज डिस्कोर्स देण्याचं काम केलं. एक शहाणपणाचं, चांगुलपणाचं किंवा समाजाच्या विकासासाठी काहीतरी आपण जागे व्हा अशा पद्धतीचं त्यांनी अवलोकन किंवा त्यांनी स्पीच दिली. तर असे किती लोक आहे 100तून जे 4 लोक आहे, त्या 4 लोकांमध्ये अशी किती लोक आहे जे लोककल्याणाच्या गोष्टी करतात? अशा प्रकारचं प्रतिपादन याच्यामध्ये केलेलं आहे, या पॅरेग्राफमध्ये सांगितलेलं आहे. ही रिप्लाइड, बट हाऊ मेनी ऑफ दीज 4 वुड बी एबल टू स्टँड टॉल फॉर हाफ ॲन हॉवर. जवळपास अर्धा ते 1 तास असं कोण या विषयावर बोलणार आहे? गिव अ वाईज डिस्कोर्स. व्हॉट इज मीन बाय वाईज डिस्कोर्स? मीन्स शहाणपणाच्या ज्या गोष्टी आहे, चांगल्या कोणत्या आणि वाईट कोणत्या. अँड देन गो ऑन द फीड थाउजंड्स ऑफ चिल्ड्रन अँड हाऊ मेनी पीपल आउट ऑफ 4 पीपल मीन्स हू जस्ट फीडिंग अ थाउजंड्स ऑफ चिल्ड्रन ॲट दिस एज. म्हणजे वयाच्या 102व्या वर्षी असा एखादा व्यक्ती सांगा की जो आश्रम चालवतो किंवा लोककल्याणाच्या गोष्टी करतो आणि थाउजंड्स ऑफ चिल्ड्रन्सना तो एक मायेचा आधार देतो किंवा आश्रमामध्ये देऊन त्यांच्या शिक्षणाचा खर्च उचलतो, अशा एखाद्या व्यक्तीचं आम्हाला नाव सांगा. अशा पद्धतीचा प्रश्न त्यांच्या मनामध्ये उपस्थित होतं, सृजनपाल सिंगच्या मनामध्ये उपस्थित होतो. याच गोष्टीतून जे इनर स्ट्रेंथ आहे, महास्वामीजीची जी इनर स्ट्रेंथ आहे आणि समाजासाठी काहीतरी आपण देणं लागतो, ही जी त्यांच्यामध्ये इनर इमोशन्स म्हणतो, ज्याला आंतरभावना म्हणतो, त्या असल्यामुळे ते हे सर्व करू शकत होते. आणि या पॅरेग्राफमध्ये आपण तेच बघितलेलं आहे. Of course, nobody could know the exact answer to his question, but the question itself lead to many other relevant queries. So, सुरुवातीला जे प्रश्न होते की एखादा 102 वर्षाचा माणूस कसा काय एक लोकांसमोर उभं राहून लोकांना शहाणपणाच्या गोष्टी सांगू शकतो किंवा समाज विकासाच्या गोष्टी सांगू शकतो, अशा पद्धतीचं जे लास्ट पॅरेग्राफमध्ये आपण बघितलेलं आहे. इट वॉज शॉकिंग फॉर ऑल द पीपल हू वेअर अटेंडेड दॅट सेलिब्रेशन ऑर दॅट बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन. अँड ऑफकोर्स नोबडी कुड नो द एक्झॅक्ट आन्सर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. मीन्स हाऊ कॅन द पर्सन हुज एज इज नियर अबाउट more than 100 years and he was standing on his own feet and he was delivering speech near about half an hour and he just looking as like a youngster, he was steady and alert, and delivering a speech motivating to the people and just commanding to the people about the society, how to do work for the society, समाज कल्याणासाठी काय काय करायला पाहिजे, अशा प्रकारचं ते त्या ठिकाणी त्यांचं जे स्पीच होतं. तर अशा पद्धतीचं स्पीच एखादा व्यक्ती जो 102 वर्षाचा आहे, ज्याचं वय more than 100 years आहे, हाऊ कॅन इट पॉसिबल? इट इज इम्पॉसिबल. सो दॅट इट वॉज द एक्झॅक्ट आन्सर टू हिज क्वेश्चन. मीन्स नोबडी हॅव द आन्सर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. मीन्स हाऊ कॅन द पर्सन हुज एज इज more than 100 years and who just standing on his feet, he just not only standing on his feet, he just delivering something and motivating people at that age. And that age is means usually we have seen that the people more than 16 or 17, they depended on other, they depended on their family. But this is the exceptional case relevant to the Mahaswamiji. It is exceptionally, we can say that it is the person who just motivating to the society in this age. So this is shocking. This was the shocking for all the people who were attended that ceremony. Nobody could knew the exact answer to his question. How can he manage? How can he be alert? How can be he manageable? How can be he work for the society? Means how it is possible. So nobody have a particular answer. Nobody have the confirm answer of these questions. But the question itself lead to many other relevant query. But the question, there is a answer. In the question there is answer. त्या प्रश्नामध्येच त्याचं उत्तर दडलेलं आहे. Why? The person who is ambitious to do something for the sake of nation, for the sake of society, that person can be lead, that person can be do something for the welfare of society. जो व्यक्ती ambitious आहे, जो blunt ambitious आहे, ज्याला काहीतरी करायचंच आहे, तर तो व्यक्ती तो मग किती वर्षाचा असो, एज डझंट मॅटर फॉर हिम. एज डझंट मॅटर फॉर दॅट पर्सन हू वॉन्ट टू डू समथिंग फॉर द सेक ऑफ नेशन, फॉर द सेक ऑफ सोसायटी. आहे ना, ह्युमॅनिटीसाठी आपल्याला जर काही करायचं आहे, आपल्या समाजासाठी आपल्याला काहीतरी करायचं आहे, तर त्या व्यक्तीसाठी एज मॅटर करत नाही. इन द सेम वे, इन द सेम थिंग वी कॅन से दॅट द महास्वामीजी वॉज द exceptional person who just doing the same thing as like said. Means there was the answer in the question. There was the answer in the question and means no one can queries. Queries it means there is no question. It is answer. Means there is answer in the question. त्या प्रश्नामध्येच त्याचं उत्तर दडलेलं आहे. त्या प्रश्नाचंच उत्तर त्याच प्रश्नामध्ये दडलेलं आहे. आय वंडर मीन्स आश्चर्य व्यक्त करणे किंवा शॉक, सरप्राईज होणे. आय वंडर व्हॉट पॉवर्स महास्वामीजी possesses that him so strong at such an advanced age. So it is impossible. The person whose age is near about more than 100 years and who can stand on his feet, he just not standing on his feet, he just at this age he just work for the society, means he just feeding more than thousands student in the ashram. So it is impossible, means the person whose age is more than 100 years, he just thinking about the society. It is impossible. Is it possible? No, it is impossible thing, because at this age, the person who is at this age, he just think about himself, not for society, not for other, because at this age the most of the people depend on other, depend on their family. So this is exceptionally case. Exceptionally we can say Mahaswamiji is exceptional for this. यासाठी ते अपवादात्मक केस आहे. I wonder, and that is why the author said that it is shocking, it is surprising thing for me. I wonder what powers Mahaswamiji possesses. सो मला असं वाटलं काही वेळासाठी की यांना दैवी शक्ती तर प्राप्त झालेली नाही ना, पण दैवी शक्ती म्हणजे काय, दैवी शक्तीचा अर्थ काय निघतो की असा एखादी पॉवर जी आपल्या आउट ऑफ इमॅजिनेशन असते, अशी एखादी गोष्ट जी आपल्या आउट ऑफ इमॅजिनेशनच्या बाहेर असते, आपल्या कल्पनेच्या पलीकडची असते, दॅट इज कॉल्ड द पॉवर, अँड दॅट पॉवर इज नोन ॲज मेंटल पॉवर. As I told you before that mental strength is more than better than any other means physical strength, that is different matter. जे आपली शारीरिक शक्ती आहे, ही शारीरिक शक्ती मानसिक शक्तीच्याच भरोश्यावर असते. आणि महास्वामीजीच्या रिलेटेड हे असंच झालेलं आहे असं लेखकांना म्हणायचं आहे. ऑथर हॅज सेड दॅट आय वंडर्ड व्हॉट पॉवर्स महास्वामीजी possesses. Possesses means ownership. Possesses means ownership that keep him so strong at such an advanced age. Means advanced age means more than 100 years, means older, oldest. Advanced age means old age. The person who is oldest means more than 100 years, he just doing the work for the society, as well as he just possesses what? The powers. They have the power, they have the strength, they have the strength to do something for other. So this is exceptionally we can say this is a exceptional thing आहे ना. ही गोष्ट सर्वांसाठी शॉकिंग आहे, सरप्राइजिंग आहे. देन मे बी इट्स अ बॅलन्स डाईट, मीन्स they just predicting or they just probably saying that about their strength, that it is because of their balanced diet. म्हणजे ते समतोल आहार घेत असतील वगैरे, अशा पद्धतीचं त्यांनी आपल्या डोक्यामध्ये एक प्रतिमा त्यांची तयार केलेली आहे, एक इमेज तयार केलेली आहे की बिकॉज ऑफ बॅलन्स डाईट दे जस्ट मेंटेनिंग देअर हेल्थ और दे जस्ट लिव्हिंग लॉंग because of their balanced diet. And my dear friend, it is true also, because of the balanced diet and exercise we can maintain our health and we can live a longer life. So it is also reasonable thing, it is also we can say true thing that because of balanced diet Mahaswamiji is maintaining himself or maintaining his health, as well as healthy lifestyle. Healthy lifestyle means early in the morning we have to wake up है ना, बिफोर 5 o'clock or before 4 o'clock, and he just take advantages of the nature. We have to take a long breath, as well as we have to do exercise for our health. Means healthy lifestyle. Healthy lifestyle means we have to take a balanced diet, means the necessary food we have to consume. That is called the healthy lifestyle. And because of this, the Mahaswamiji at this age can live longer, and at this age is doing, and their body functions are working as like a youngster. All the functions of his body working as like youngster at this age. It is because of the balanced diet as well as healthy lifestyle. It was the prediction. It was prediction. Then what? Or perhaps it's genetics. Means there was question in the mind of author. It is because of the balanced diet or healthy lifestyle, or whether it is balanced diet or healthy lifestyle, or it is because of the genetics. Genetics means genetically people has gifted, or genetically means in their next before generation, if the people who were as like that, so by carrying the genetically they just doing that same thing. Means genetically he just म्हणजे त्यांचे जे पूर्वज आहे त्यांच्या पूर्वजाकडून मिळालेली त्यांना गिफ्ट असावी का, अशा पद्धतीचा प्रश्न हा लेखकाच्या मनामध्ये असतो. अँड हेल्दी लाईफस्टाईल और परहॅप्स इट्स अ जेनेटिक्स, isn't it? I asked Dr. Kalam sat contemplating deeply. So when I asked about the Mahaswamiji, I very discussed when we came from the birthday celebration of the Mahaswamiji, and after couple of months we were discussing about that birthday party and about the Mahaswamiji on the age of 102 years old, the person whose age is near about more than 100 years, who just standing on his feet and just delivering something for the sake of nation. He just motivating to the people at this age. He just feeding thousands of children in his ashram at the age of 102 years. So it is a shocking, it is a astonishing thing for the people. So I was discussed with the APJ Abdul Kalam. After hearing all this, Dr. Kalam himself sat contemplating deeply. Contemplating, it means deeply thinking. He just thinking deeply. Means how can it is possible that a person who just at this age, how the person at this age work as like a youngster, steady and sternly, he just doing his work and he just doing for the sake of society. So after hearing all these things, Dr. Kalam sat contemplating deeply, just stood calmly and he just doing. Means या वयात सुद्धा एखादा व्यक्ती अशा पद्धतीचं कार्य करू शकतो. It was astonishing thing for the author as well as Dr. Kalam, and after hearing all these things, Dr. Kalam sat contemplating deeply. म्हणजे गहन विचारामध्ये ते पडले, थिंकिंगमध्ये पडली की नेमकं याचं कारण काय असू शकते. जेनेटिकली ही वॉज पॉवरफुल, or because of balanced diet, or because of healthy lifestyle, he has given so powerful person. So they don't have any question. So in this paragraph we have taken the experience of the Mahaswamiji. By the mental strength we can achieve anything. Through this paragraph we have learned. In my next period we have discussed about the next paragraph. Still then, thank you very much.